Kumshi benta ke jingraki ya ke World Democracy Day menta ke senem arajar arpawai hakane ke jylla Meghalaya Menteri Rangba ke jylla ula pelaj ba ya ke MyMeg program kebalong kerensan keban ailat di kinong song ke jylla banyadan bentalang hak sensyar kadar.
Hakasngi balarake ke World Democracy Day hakane ke jylla jongi Menteri Rangba ke jylla Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula pelaj ba ya kerensan MyMeg program kebalong kerensan lang baka website keban ailat iginong song ke jylla benedan bentalang hakasen syar kadar da kebagian pa ke jing sngo jongki halor ki kampenroy ki balamat phang da ke Sorkar jylla lengba kene ke program kinong song ken la ru ban bodien ki kampenroy halaki jong ki than bat ki dong haki district lengba ki CNRD block office bat ki dorbar snong habakaren ke jingelang hakene gesngi Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong baka thong jong ke Sorkar kelong banwanra ke jingkela hak jylla bat ban Kyntiew ke kerdan na pedeng ki spotli ki jylla ki bapau jong kri India haswa ke senem ar hajar laipo ban penur long ya kaniu Menteri Rangba ulong baka Sorkar kedang treshtom ban Kyntiew ki nong rep ya ki kentai bat ki samla habar ki liang hak imlang salang ban penur long ya kani ke thong jong ke Sorkar jylla don kamru ke jingi sim bentalang jong kinong song jong ke jylla hak sensyar kadar.
So when all of this came in, we thought that we need some kind of a system or mechanism where we are able to, number one, engage with the people. So engagement was a very, very critical part, and we felt that we should be able to directly get feedback from the people of what they think about the programs that we're doing. At the same time, they should be able to see what the government is doing in their own villages and the districts and the state as a whole, and be able to engage with us through social media and use of technology and give us feedback which would help us not just improve the programs we're doing but also get a sense and pulse of what the people are actually feeling and what they feel is the need of the hour, especially maybe in their area or in the state as a whole. So engagement was one of the important aspects on why we came towards this particular model and this particular program or scheme called MyMeg.